market going up, market going down, market going up, market going down. How is this different from other days? It's not different. It's always the same thing. Hello everyone, Rat Saint here, Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Today is Friday, and you know I get sad about Fridays because there's no futures market throughout the weekend until Sunday at 6 in the afternoon. And I wasn't gonna trade today, but here I am. I came home to check on some things and go out again. I sat down at the computer. There might be a setup right now. You wanna check it out? Let me know in the comments what you think about the trade, and I'll see you on Monday. Have a great one. Alrighty, it's 11:07 in the morning Eastern Standard Time, and we have here a support zone. We have here a resistance zone. Right now market is holding. Let's get this out of the way. So we have major entry level, we have a minor entry level here, and huge movements, okay, of course, like the NASDAQ is doing. And we have right now a consolidation. I am looking right now, as of now, with the information that we have, for a potential sell setup. We have a support zone way down here. This support level, I'm not too fond of it. There's a reason for that, and it's because market already hit that support zone. So right now we have a potential buy setup and a potential sell setup. I am looking for a sell setup, and let's see.
Order submitted.
If we have a mini entry level right here, maybe a little higher. We have okay, so market hasn't broken this previous high. It hasn't broken this low. We have a higher low, higher low, higher low. So now it's right. What are you trying to do? Well, I'm trying to sell the market. And let's see if we can actually okay, right here we're gonna place that mini entry level right there. I am not doing anything yet until they break any of these lows. Well, actually this low. From here we have 50 until the next low we have 20. That's 30 points. 30 points from this low to this low. I'm trading 2 contracts, so that would be 60. That's gonna be $1,200 right there. I'm gonna enter a little bit.
Order filled.
I mean, 2 contracts. Still move is not confirmed yet, although I don't think they're gonna push higher. On the contrary, they're gonna push lower. So I'm gonna look for maybe 15-20 points here, even though we have a big zone way down here, support zone. But you know, I have a trading plan, I have my trading goals. Let's see what we can grab here. Let me move this. Of course, I'm not gonna hold this trade until way up here, but I like placing my stops really far because then I think it's personal and they're gonna try to take my trade out. Here they go. I'm in at 70 minus 20, that's 50. So I'm gonna place my take profit right at 50. Here we go. 50 50 50 50 50. Well, anyway, yeah, it's just a matter of time before they break that low, and maybe we can place our stop a little lower. We have 20 points right there. I'm gonna get a little greedy here. Let me see if I can grab 30 points out of this move, and that's gonna be awesome. Here they go. Really quick, get in, get out, and be done. Come on. I'm gonna place my take profit far away because, like I mentioned, sometimes it feels personal. Oh, Ra wants to grab some points. We're not gonna give it to them because, of course, they wanna keep all the goodies to themselves. So let's pause this. They're gonna break to either side. High probability they're gonna break to the downside. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because that's what the legacy futures trading strategy is telling me. Okay, I trade by probability, and probability of market doing that is really high, and this is gonna be an awesome Friday. So let's just wait a little bit more and close this trade hopefully in the next 15 minutes for sure, hopefully. Then I have other stuff to do and I'm gonna be out of here. So let's just wait. I'm gonna pause it and we'll be back in 3, 2, 1. Alrighty, yeah, just a few seconds after, new candle coming up, and come on, 35 points right there. Hit me.
Target filled.
Catching, target filled. Alrighty, what a great trade for a Friday morning. I just got in. I was taking a friend to a medical appointment, and yeah, I came home. It's still too hot outside to be trading in La Gatita. Get in, get out, make my analysis, and I understood that market was at least going to take that low right here. That's exactly what happened, and I mentioned this wasn't the greatest week. I lost a trade on Tuesday, but it was less than $300. Yesterday I didn't trade, and here we are finishing another awesome week. Bear with me for a minute. Let me do this, you know the drill. All right, we have here, I hope I don't mess this up, we have NASDAQ, sell, setup, pop. We have entry, 2 contracts at 24.5. I'm gonna use the lowest one. We have two entries here. I'm gonna use the 0.0. Okay, target, we have 2 contracts at 24.549.50, and that is 70 minus 50, that's 20 and a half points. Okay, pop, total. I messed it up. I cannot believe it. Okay, that's fine, no worry. escape. All right, I'll finish it here. I'm not gonna do it again. So we have total trade. We have 41 points. Whoa. 41 points, which equals 820 bucks. And why? Because okay, now I messed it up. Let's try that again. It was my bad. Total trade. I'm excited. I need to get out of here because I have a lunch with a friend. So we have total trade 41 points, which equals 820 bucks. Why? Because ¿por qué? Because we know market gives 20 bucks per NASDAQ point. Boop. Oh, wait. Boop. All right, now we're rolling. Really awesome trade. And I mean, what else do you want to see? What else do you want to know? Let me know in the comments. And check this out, guys. So I knew per my legacy futures trading strategy, it was highly probable that they were at least going to retest or take that low. There is a reason for that. Okay, even though I have a really larger movement to the downside, I don't know if that's gonna happen or not. That's why it's so important. Guess what I'm going to say? Trading plan, trading goal. Grab a few points, get in, get out. That's my that's how I like to trade. And if I got greedier, this would have been a terrible trade. Even though market, I think we still have some move to the downside, but you at least identify, here's the thing, identify a potential setup per my legacy futures trading strategy. That's what I do. Okay, we know that there is always going to be a sell setup and a buy setup. Okay, high probability, market pushing to the downside, but you never know. So if I understood my way of thinking, because I have a lot of students before they become legacy futures trading strategy students, and I'm like, what are you thinking? How are you reading the market? And I read the market like, okay, there are different probabilities. What is the highest probability of market doing? Okay, we have a big push to the downside, big push to the downside. We already mentioned that market had hit that support level, that it's way down there. So that's kind of a warning sign. But if market is going to move to the upside, they needed to take this low. So we have a mini entry level, we have a low. How much point? This is how I rationalize this. So if we have a mini entry level and we have a level that market needs to take before doing anything else from that entry level, and those entry levels are they're so majestic, okay, to that low right here. We have 19.5 points, we grab 20.5 points. So you know, I like looking for 15 to 20 bucks. Simple, easy, get out. I grab 40 points, over 40 points in less than 20 minutes, because I know this is 15 and 15, but it takes me more making the video than making the trade. So another awesome trading week. I hope you've been having an awesome trading week. I hope we all have an awesome weekend. And let me tell you one thing you've never heard before. If you want to learn my trading strategy, if you want to join our trading group, questions, comments, complaints,
Connection
jokes.
lost.
Oh, okay. Questions, comments, complaints, jokes. You know what to do. Saint Legacy Futures Trading Group for VanLife Day Traders. Have a great one. Catching.